Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use almond milk for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. In fact, almond milk is good for hemorrhoids because it's high in fiber, which is very good if you suffer from hemorrhoids. In almond milk is also added a lot of nutrients that help keep your bowel movements smooth and easy to pass. Almond milk is very low in calories, so you can drink almond milk without the feeling of guilt. What shrinks hemorrhoids? Almond milk is the #1 plant milk that is consumed in the United States. The reason why it's good for hemorrhoids is it's very high in fiber, and almonds also have anti-inflammatory properties that help to keep the swellings down in hemorrhoids. This also shrinks hemorrhoids when using almond and almond milk. Almond milk can also be used instead for drinking cow milk, just because it contains more fiber and cow milk is low in fiber that can worsen constipation. You can also use almond milk for your breakfast cereals and use it in coffee instead of cow milk. The most common recommendations are extra fiber and water, which is available in a healthy amount in almond milk, can prevent constipation, but intestinal spasming can cause it as well. To treat this through nutrition, you first need to find out if you have any food sensitivities you might be not aware of, called delayed allergies or other food reactions. But the almond milk you can easily find everywhere helps soothe and heal the inflamed and irritated intestinal hemorrhoids issues. How to choose your diet when suffering from hemorrhoids? Choosing your diet very carefully to prevent straining and constipation is highly recommended. Straining is largely linked with the immune system in the intestinal tract, causing irritable bowel symptoms or constipation. Fungal and parasite infection can also cause abnormal bowel movements and intestinal distress that lead to hemorrhoids. By watching carefully what you eat, you can very much prevent developing constipation, that is among the #1 cause of getting hemorrhoids. Drinking almond milk and using almond in its many forms is one way of adding to the healthy lifestyle you need live to avoid hemorrhoids and retain a good bowel movement. How to use almond milk for hemorrhoids? In 1 glass of almond milk, mix some black powdered mustard. While having this, always make sure to chew mustard extremely carefully. After having this mix, drink a glass of another full glass of almond milk. In a bowl of water, soak peels of pomegranate. Now place the bowl on the stove and let the water boil. Turn off the stove, strain the connection, and let it cool down. Now add almond milk. Take this 1 time in the morning and 1 glass in the evening. Prepare some fresh almond and using an extremely powered blender if you can. Add some peppercorns, pink salt, and ginger to this to flavor a cup of fresh almond. Have this almond milk mixed 2 times a day. For bleeding hemorrhoids, keep 1/4 liter of fresh almond milk for curdling overnight. In the morning, add an equal carrot juice and blend it well. Drink this 2 or 3 times a day. Extract the juice of white radish and mix it with almond milk and honey. Apply this mixture straight on the hemorrhoids affected area. This mixture is meant only for external use, straight on the hemorrhoids, not for oral intake. In a cup of fresh almond milk, mash a ripe banana. Have this mixture 3 or 4 times a day, to stop the itches and pain experienced during hemorrhoids. Soak 3 or 4 figs in almond milk and keep them overnight. Have them early in the morning, on an empty stomach. It's very effective for hemorrhoids pain. Extract the drink of bitter gourd leaves. Mix 2 teaspoons of this drink in a glass of fresh almond milk and have it on empty stomach at the start of the day. Extract about 130 to 160 milliliters of turnip juice and mix with almond milk. Consume this drink after combining it with carrots or watercress. Almond milk and how it's made. Basically, it is made by mixing almonds with some water and then rinsing the liquid to get the lumps away. You can also make almond milk by putting some water into almond butter. It has a pleasant, nutty flavor and a very creamy texture, same as that of regular milk. For this reason, almond milk is a popular choice for people following a PILS diet, as well as for those who are allergic and intolerant to dairy. You can find this in almost every supermarket, usually at the health food counter. It's also very easy to make at home. Though, it is not nearly as nutritious as cow's milk. They frequently contain added calcium, vitamin D, fiber, and protein, making them more same as regular milk in nutritional content. though it naturally rich in several vitamins and minerals, which is very helpful for the hemorrhoids issue. What are hemorrhoids and how do they come? Piles or hemorrhoids have been defined as a vascular mass in the anus canal that'd be presented either externally or internally and might be associated with bleeding. The major symptoms caused by hemorrhoids include protrusion, bleeding, itching, and pain. Bleeding from the rectum must never be assumed to be due to hemorrhoids. A perfect treatment is needed from a professional health provider for the right diagnosis, as it'd also be a sign of a serious issue. Hemorrhoids are caused by a sustained boost of pressure in the blood veins of the anal. The common cause of this extreme pressure is wide straining during a bowel movement. Prolonged sitting during bowel working, constipation, anal infections, and irritable bowel spasming are all contributing factors. Internal piles are situated at the starting of the anal canal, while the external piles are located at the anal opening. Hemorrhoids can protrude outside of the anal and are common during women's pregnancy and after baby birth. Home remedies for hemorrhoids: eat more vegetables, fruits, and seeds, such as dry figs, Java plum, papaya, Indian gooseberry, radish, turnip, bitter gourd, quinoa, onion, mango seeds, whole grain rice, and sesame seeds. Consume plenty of water. Go for a South Asian-style toilet because of the squatting position, or utilize a small tool. 30 grams of onion should be well chopped and rubbed in water with 60 grams of sugar added to it. 1 teaspoon should be taken 2 times a day. Mango seeds are dried in the shade, then powdered and stored. This powdered should be given doses of about 1.5 grams to 2 grams without or with honey, 2 times a day. In a painful pile, a crushed onion might be applied specific area for handy results. Almond is widely popular as a healthy snack option. A handful of almonds not only act as a stomach-filling evening snack but also prevent you from hazardous munching, which is quite common. But what all of us are not aware of is the fact that almonds are loaded with fiber, along with being the best source of soluble fat. Almonds are the best way to make you poop right, along with assisting you to eat healthily and stay fit. Almond milk that can help you to prevent hemorrhoids and help to get healthy bowel movements includes walnuts and seeds. Keep in mind you can follow these diets and foods in your diet even if you're suffering from hemorrhoids, as these can help enhance your symptoms and help you fight the hemorrhoids. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.